Kita mo? Kita mo? Kita mo go. Hello, everyday volleyball people. We're now here in Hong Kong Disneyland. We have our winner, Coach Elsie. So this is a raffle that we did back in December. Because of your enrollment, we get to send Coach Elsie to Disneyland. And for the very first time in history, somebody will be playing volleyball here at Disneyland in Hong Kong. I have my daughter, Timmy, also playing volleyball in Disneyland. Go back. Dig, ready, go. Go. So we are now boarding. It's 8:30 in the evening. Hold on, there's my Timmy girl. Say hi, Timmy. There's Coach Elsie, and there's my daughter Mia. We're here in Hong Kong. Thank you guys, thank you.
See you. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Timmy, welcome to Hong Kong, Timmy.
So after getting out the plane, you will be greeted by this huge arrival area of the Hong Kong International Airport. From the airport, we took an Uber towards our hotel because we were very exhausted. We arrived at around 1 a.m. and there were no more bus or train. So the next day, nagpunta naman kami ng Causeway Bay to look for something to eat. Grabing busy ng area na to. I noticed a lot of people would really follow the crossing lights and also the pedestrian.
Hey guys, so we are in Hai San Place. We're gonna look for something to eat. This is what it looks like outside.
So after eating at Hai San Place, we visited the famous bakehouse pero hindi namin natikman kasi ang daming tao. And then we headed over to Times Square, which is just across Hai San Place. And once you enter the mall, this is what it looks like. Very beautiful mall, even better than Greenbelt. I think it has about 8 or 9 floors. So after Times Square in Causeway Bay, we are now headed to Mongkok via train to do some shopping. After we got off at Mongkok Station, eto kagad ang sumalubong sa amin sa exit. So the first store na pinuntahan ko dito sa Mongkok is the Mizuno shop where I spent a good 30 to 45 minutes just looking at every product. Wala kasi Mizuno shop sa Pilipinas. I bought a pair of shoes, shirts, and bags and I would say mas affordable siya versus sa mga Mizuno items na binibenta sa Pilipinas. So if you're in Mongkok, make sure you drop by this shop. So the next day, punta naman kami ng Hong Kong Disneyland. This is the view outside our hotel. So we took the bus. Everything is cashless. So make sure if you're going to Hong Kong, you have your Octopus card. And then you can really see a lot of good sights when you're riding the bus.
All right, so we are at the Tung Chung line. So from this station, we're gonna get off at Sunny Bay. There, Sunny Bay.
So bumaba na kami ng Sunny Bay and we're gonna be transferring to a different train going to Disneyland. And it's very convenient kasi if you're gonna be transferring train, it's just beside the station itself. And you can see here the train is very unique. It's the Mickey train.
Other side. All right, so this is what it looks like when you get off the train station. We're gonna take the escalator going up to Disneyland.
So pag akit mo ng escalator, makikita mo kagad tong Disneyland Resort na sign. Nag-volleyball kagad kami ni Coach Elsie. So before the main gate of Disneyland, makikita nyo si Mickey nagsusurfing and also this very beautiful landscape. Once you get inside Disneyland, you have the option to ride going towards the center of the Disneyland Resort. So here's the famous castle at the center of the resort.
And picture 1, 2, 3. Oh, so lovely. One more. 1, 2, 3. Awesome.
So we headed towards the world of Frozen, which is one of the main attractions of Hong Kong Disneyland. I would have to say that this place is very magical and beautiful. Para ka talaga nasa Arendelle pag pumunta ka dito sa spot na to. So after enjoying all the rides and attraction, we headed over back to the entrance to enjoy their musical and fireworks display. Here's a 10-second clip before you end your Hong Kong Disneyland adventure. Enjoy! So that wraps up our Disneyland adventure. I would suggest that you guys allot 2 days para ma-enjoy nyo lahat ng attraction at lahat ng rides. And here we're going to be taking the train home back to our hotel. So the next day, we headed over to the K11 Art Mall just to enjoy the view of the harbor and just to relax. Diyan nyo rin makikita yung Avenue of Stars.
Hey guys, so we now are leaving Hong Kong. We're just waiting for our Uber. So this is our ride. It's a blue Mercedes-Benz.
So after checking in sa napakalaking departure area nila, we headed over to Pop Mart kung saan wala siyang pila unlike sa Pilipinas. And then we got our final souvenirs here sa Hong Kong Disneyland store sa loob ng airport.
We are headed back to Manila. We plan to leave Coach Elsie here, pero sabi niya ayaw niya. So thank you guys for your enrollment. Because of you guys, we were able to make this trip possible. So thank you again.